Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Gabriel. I'm a receptionist here at Computer Support Plus. Today, I just wanted to give you a quick little video, quick little update on whether if we do remarkables or not. We've been getting a lot of concerns, a lot of questions on that, and we just wanted to let you know that yes, we still work on remarkables. As you could see here, we actually have a handful worked up at the moment. Currently, we advise to wait a week with you sending your device, but I will let Mr. Morshed here. Mr. Morshed, how are you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much.
Mr. Morshed, more on detail.
Thank you so much, guys. Hello, how are you? I hope everybody's good. And any question, please give us a call or email us. We're receiving many questions, and I'm trying to give you all the answer as much as I can. The most question we're receiving here, that is how much is cost. If it is the power button issue, the cost is fixed and final $150. That's including the shipping cost if it is in United States, any states in US. If it is international, we don't cover any shipping cost. And you have to pay your shipping cost for sending us and returning to you. And as I can see, devices, especially most of them the power button, and some of them the data recovery, some of them no power issue. So power button screen, crack screen. So if it is the crack screen, it's very tough to having a replacement screen. Especially it's very hard, and if the data is very important, definitely we can do the data recovery, and we can try to sync the data to the cloud if you need power button and power button as well. And here's the one we received that is actually more than power button. This is a water damage issue, and it has a crack screen issue, and this has a the capacitor component level issue. So where's actually I was very expecting this one probably very low successful rate on it, but it's turns to like 100% successful now. I would say this is the bad capacitor we found in the motherboard, and this capacitor, the little thing here, this capacitor is making the entire board is shorted, and we just replaced this capacitor, and now the board is successfully working fine and it turns normal, but the screen has cracked, so it's need to replace. We currently waiting for the screen, and after we receiving the screen, and it should be good to go. This is actually we received from United Arab Emirates. So as you can see, we receiving the device internationally. So you can ship the device directly to us. Our store address is 1820 Blvd, Bradenton, Florida 34211, and our contact number is 941-567-6431. And our website address is computersrepairplus.com. If you have any questions,